In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a campaign safely and correctly. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to look out for so you don't remove the wrong item by mistake. Start by heading to the left-hand sidebar and clicking Campaigns. This is your central hub for everything you've created, so give it a moment to load if you manage a lot of content. Once you're in, you'll see a list of campaigns along with key details like names, statuses, and dates. Next, find the specific campaign you want to delete. The fastest way is to use the search bar at the top. Type a distinctive word from the campaign's name or a tag you used to narrow things down. If you're not sure of the exact name, scroll through the list and skim the dates or statuses to jog your memory. Before moving on, take a second to confirm it's the correct one by checking the title and any identifying details. Deleting is permanent, so this quick double check is worth it. Once you've located it, select the campaign. You can do this by clicking the checkbox beside the campaign in the list. If you prefer to verify one more time, you can open the campaign first and confirm you're in the right place. Either approach works. The goal is simply to ensure you're acting on the correct campaign. Look for the three-dot menu next to the campaign. It's the small vertical icon, sometimes called the kebab menu, typically on the right side of the row. If you opened the campaign, a similar menu may appear near the top corner of the page. Click that menu to reveal more actions. From the drop-down, choose Delete Campaign. The wording might be slightly different in some interfaces, but it will clearly indicate deletion. When you click it, the system will prepare the deletion action for that single campaign only. Finally, confirm the deletion. A confirmation dialog will pop up to help prevent accidental removal. Read it carefully. Make sure the campaign name matches what you intend to delete. Some systems may ask you to click Confirm or Delete, and a few may require you to type a confirmation word. Once you approve, the campaign is permanently removed along with its associated content, so proceed only when you're certain. If you don't see the delete option, you may need additional permissions, or the campaign might be locked by a workflow. In that case, reach out to an administrator. Otherwise, that's it. You've successfully deleted the campaign.